Mom, can I get these colored pencils? I've been saving my allowance.
Not today, Maya. We need to save.
Jace, do you like that plane?
Keep up, Maya. Don't lag behind.
I'm right here. Why do they never look back? Sometimes I feel like I'm in a different world than theirs. I just wish they could hear me too.
Jace, honey, slow down. You're getting too far ahead.
I'm the pilot. Catch me if you can.
It's like I'm not even part of the picture anymore. Just a shadow. That's all I am to them.
Oh my vase! It was Maya. She pushed me. Maya, why didn't you watch him? You are the older sister.
Careful, Maya. Just don't make a sound. So sharp. Banalahin. But the silence hurts even more. The cut on my finger will heal, but this hole in my heart. I'm right here, but I feel like I'm not. Like I'm invisible to them. Are you okay, Jace? Did any of the shards touch you? I'm fine, Mom. It was just an accident.
Maya, make sure you get everything. Don't leave any mess for Jace to step on.
Yes, Dad. Everything is clean. I'm just like this vase now. Broken into pieces that no one bothers to fix.
Eat up, Jace. You're growing fast.
Mom, can I have some too?
Finish your vegetables first, Maya. You're the older one. You should know better.
I've been waiting for this documentary for an hour, Jace. No! It's cartoon time! Give it to me!
Let go! You're being mean!
Ugh. I'm not being mean. I'm just watching my show.
What is going on here? Why are you two fighting?
Dad, please just listen to me. I was watching this first, and Jace just came in. I'm not trying to be mean. She pushed me, Dad. I just wanted to watch my favorite show.
You're the older sister. You should know how to share.
It's not about sharing, Dad. It's about being fair.
Enough. Don't make a scene over a TV show.
Dad, Maya won't let me watch.
Maya, let him have it.
But Dad, I was here first. Don't cry. Crying just makes you look weak in their eyes. Just stay in the dark. The dark doesn't judge.
It never stops. That noise. It's like it's mocking me.
That was so funny. Do it again, Dad.
I'm right above them, yet I've never felt further away. If I don't matter to them, then why should I keep trying?
One day I'll be gone, and they won't even notice the silence I leave behind.
Look, Dad, I got the top prize in the city. Good, keep it up.
Dad, look, I tied my shoes.
Wow, my genius, son. That's amazing.
Is this all it's worth? Just a piece of paper?
My boy is a superstar. You're gonna be a world-class athlete, Jace.
Superstar for tying shoes. I'm just invisible. Not anymore. I won't let them see it. Stay buried. Just like everything else I tried to be for them.
I'm tired of performing for an audience that doesn't care. This isn't a home. It's just a place where I happen to exist. Let's be honest for once. Question 1. Who am I in this house? I used to be a daughter. Now, I'm just an obstacle. That's it. No more answers needed. I was so naive, thinking if I did better, they'd see me. I'm done trying to be someone they can love. Just a ghost. That's what I am. Tomorrow, I'll just continue to be nothing. It's easier that way.
I won't apologize. I didn't do it. Just say sorry, Maya. Why are you so stubborn? Because I'm tired of being the one who always gives in.
Maya, your teacher called. She said you got the highest grade in the science project. Aren't you excited?
It doesn't change anything.
A bit of enthusiasm wouldn't kill you, Maya. We're proud of you, you know?
I know.
Oh, poor baby. It's okay. Let me help you.
I can do it, Mom.
Look at that independence. So brave, Jace.
I'm finished. I'll be in my room.
Is she going to continue this attitude? This silence is unbearable!
Maya, ask your father about his meeting tonight. I'm sure he'll tell me if it matters. She's becoming a stranger in her own home.
Maya, sit down for a minute. Let's talk.
I'm busy.
Did you hear me? I said stop!
Don't look at them. Don't let them in.
This is ridiculous. What is your problem? Did you really think I didn't see who you truly are? There's nothing left here for me. You are being incredibly disrespectful. Respect is earned. You stopped earning mine a long time ago.
Maya, again?
Stop! You never see me. You only see what you want. Am I your daughter or just a shadow? Just leave me alone. All of you.
Did you hear that? Her voice. She's never screamed like that. I tried so hard to be enough, but maybe I was enough all along. It's just that you couldn't see it.
Maya, please.
Open the door.
We didn't know you felt this way.
You never looked. You were always looking at him. I was just the shadow standing behind him. Oh God, what if we do? We've pushed her so far away.
We've been listening, but we never heard her. Not until now.
We've been blind. We've been destroying our own daughter.
Mia. May we come in?
We didn't come to argue. We want to listen. Are you hurt because of me, Maya? It's not just you, Jace. It's the way they look at you and the way they stopped looking at me.
We were blinded by the ease of loving him, and we took your strength for granted. That was our failure, not yours. We are so...
I just need fairness, not perfection. Together, we grow.